We are heading out to go get a Christmas tree this afternoon. A little late for us. Normally we have a little earlier. Sometimes like the weekend right after Thanksgiving. But we're gonna go to a friend's property and cut down our Christmas tree for this year. Should be fun. Lazy guys.
Y'all want to walk a whole tree back?
Lazy, lazy, lazy.
Or we can put the whole tree in the pull it back.
Oh, that's true. That's true. That's true.
Hey, what a night. We stayed up all night. Now it seems like no one's gonna wait for it. Oh, it's gonna be alright if you just hold tight. But you have to wait until tomorrow. You know he's on his way, and on Christmas Day, and there'll be no worry and no more sorrow. God bless those who have nothing. What a mess. We gotta do something right.
Right?
We
I
gotta
just don't want to go see the others. What about this one? The top of this one is so good. We'd have to cut. That's it.
A lot bigger for the
We'd have to cut and then put some of it in the thing. I kind of really like that one.
But it seems like no one wants to wait for it. It's gonna be alright if you just hold tight. But you have to wait until tomorrow. You know he's on his way.
Thank you.
And on Christmas Day, there'll be no worry and no more sorrow. You know he's on his way, and on Christmas Day, there'll be no worry and no more sorrow. It's gonna be alright if you just hold tight. You have to wait until tomorrow. You know he's on his way, and on Christmas Day, and there'll be no worry and no more sorrow.
Hey, what you doing? Oh, you're so soft. Your daddy wants one.
Yeah.
He's so soft.
So
soft. we have some traditions in our family that have to do with more for the boys and for the boys and just like kind of just doing something special for them during Christmas time. And it's with Bob. Bob the elf. Yes, Bob is our house elf. We had a house elf when the boys were growing up. We did the fun stuff where he was into mischief. But then the boys got older and they figured out, you know, Bob is not really
Alive.
alive. Right. Yeah, alive.
They figured it out.
They figured it out. But one tradition we have continued is PJs at Christmas time. And then we do an ornament for the Christmas tree. And every year we do ornaments that represent something that happened that year.
All right, so obviously this is the year 2020 in quarantine, so we have kind of a fun one we got this year. In years past, we've gotten Disney World things, so but I think right now it's time to let the kids get an early present open, which is part of that tradition.
Yep.
So.
Yeah.
Mom, Dad, can we soon come out?
All right, why don't you guys come out? They really, really wanted to come out.
It looks like they're both. No, wait, this is the shirt. It has Christmas trees upside down and right side up. Heart stars and dots. And then these are the pants. Stripes.
Well, you have to put it on.
What is it? Ah,
That's AJ.
an entire thing of verses?
Nope, so it's the one that represents this year. So it has like quarantine, face masks,
Social distancing.
social distancing,
Lockdown.
lockdown, homeschool.
Hand sanitizer. Toilet paper. Shortage.
All right. Okay, time's getting away from us tonight. We need to jump on making dinner. I'm making some homemade tortillas. And we're gonna have some pork tacos, some carnita tacos with some beans and some rice. So I'm gonna do that. But we wanted to close out the vlog. We forgot to say our roses and thorns earlier, so I just wanted to jump on saying that. And I would definitely say my thorn is that this last week or so, because we've had a couple hard weeks lately and just trying to figure out some stuff that we'll let you guys know as time goes on, but just trying to problem solve. And it's been hard and it's been daunting and it's been emotional, but I think we're on the right journey. So that would be my thorn. What's your thorn?
My thorn is going to be pretty similar. To add to your words of daunting and stressful, emotional, it's been exhausting, just tiresome, wears you out. So,
Yeah.
you know, just kind of planning things in life and looking towards the future. So more and more to come on that. But, you know, so that's just sometimes part of being a grown-up.
Right.
But for our rose, no, what is your rose? What do you have? Seemed like you had something.
You're like trying to go with me so that you can take mine.
I am.
My rose is, sorry, we really need to start cutting these short. My rose has to be the fact that through all the craziness that's been going on, I have amazing little dudes that really cheer us up, are really positive no matter what life has thrown at them. And I think I worry more about them than I need to. But I'm grateful for the fact that I have two amazing little dudes that are really resilient, and no matter what, we look through eyes of grace and love. So yeah, so that's mine. Oh.
Well, I won't take her rose, but I'd say equally so is I have a very resilient and strong wife. And Kirsten doesn't make me, even in all the ups and downs.
He's trying to score brownie points tonight.
I think that's at least one for me.
All right, you guys. So have a good week. Think about your roses. Think about your thorns. Share them with somebody you love. And no matter how, no, I'm not going to get cheesy. Bye.
We'll see you next time. I know where.
PJ change.
Because I need to
Look up
check
there.
my